Our customers are Subway, Yum Brand Foods, who is Taco Bell and Kentucky Fried Chicken and Pizza Hut. We also sell to Sonic and to Burger King, Papa John's, and Domino's. With Plex, we're able to better serve the needs of our customer by providing them real-time reporting, providing them EDI, and also assurance in our food traceability capabilities.
I have one really recent success story that made me very proud of our system, of having Plex and our team. And we just recently had an audit for one of our largest customers. It was a 2-day audit. But they did something unique that none of them ever done. Usually they always have us do a mock recall. This time they had us do a mock recall on 5 items. That's never been asked of us before. That's pretty easy with Plex. We can get those things within minutes. There's one part of our process when it comes to doing a backtrack on pickles and what field they came to. That's a little bit more involved. Plex made that possible to do that in under an hour. We were able to do 5 recalls in an hour and a half. 2 years ago, that would have been impossible. Being able to do a mock recall so fast gives our customers confidence that we know what we're doing and with that we can deliver the best day in and day out.